Here's a digital SAT math question. The challenger exercise is to try to use Desmos to answer it using a regression and an element list. I could not figure out how to do it using an element list, but I can do it with a regression, or find the answer with an regression. In the expression above, b and c are positive integers. If the expression is equivalent to x plus b and x does not equal b, it cannot, because that would be division by 0. Which of the following could be the value of c? 4, 6, 8, 10. So I'm just going to plug this equation into Desmos, and I'm going to make it into a regression. I'll put x1 minus b, and then I put a tilde instead of an equal, and it, right here it says it is equivalent to or equals x plus b. I'll put x1 plus b. And right away it comes up with a b value of 1 and a c value of 1.09. Well, that's not one of the choices. So now I'll make a slider for c. I'll start with 1 because that's a positive integer. Now I'll try b equals 2. What have I? Oh! Whoops-a-daisy. This is x1 squared. Squared. Hold on. How do I get that squared? x1 squared. Aha! Aha! Oh, so low. Okay, so when, I'll just start again. When b is 1, c is 1. When b is 2, c is 4. That's an answer choice. When b is 3, c is 9. It's not an answer choice. When b is 4, it's 16. So now it's too big, and you can see it's going up, up, up. So when b is 2, c is 4, and that's one of the answer choices. And that is answer choice A. So I did a regression and made a slider. Could not figure out how to do it with an element list. If I put in an element list for C equals 4, 6, 8, 10, I don't get an integer value for B, and I don't know what's going on right there. So some of the AI suggested just putting the element list right up there, but that doesn't work. 4, 6, 8, 10, that does nothing. B is 1.7. I don't know. I could put the values for C up there if I put 4, but then for some reason when I put 4 up there, it comes up with B is -2. Well, it turns out if you work this by on paper that B is the square root of C. So the square root of 4 is 2 or -2, and it's giving the minus answer, but you might not know that. But if you do this with sliders, I'll show it again. When B is 2, C is 4, one of the answer choices. No other integer value of B gives any of the answer choices. So the answer is 4. A